Can an LLC be a sole proprietor? No. An LLC and a sole proprietorship are two different business structures. A sole proprietorship has one owner and no legal separation between the owner and the business, which means the owner is personally responsible for all debts and liabilities. An LLC, even with just one owner, is called a single member LLC. It creates a separate legal entity that protects your personal assets from business debts and lawsuits. This liability protection is something a sole proprietorship does not provide. For tax purposes, a single member LLC is often treated like a sole proprietorship, with profits and losses reported on the owner's personal tax return. But legally, the LLC is distinct and offers stronger protections. Zen Business can help you form a single member LLC so you get liability protection without the risks of being a sole proprietor. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.